We recognize that most companies are in business to make money, to make a profit. Even nonprofit organizations need to make money. They usually do it by collecting donations, whereas a public company, for instance, sells a product or a service. For this reason, every business function is under some kind of pressure to prove, to show that it provides value and that it is helping the organization achieve its overall goals. Human resource managers are under similar pressures. They have to be able to show that training and development programs, for example, actually help the organization make money. And we do have evidence that training and development systems can influence the bottom line. They can have a direct effect on organizational performance and an indirect effect on profitability. Researchers have been studying training and development for decades. One of the things we know today to be true is that these systems are usually more effective when they are tied very closely to the organization's strategic plan, to its business strategy. This is a plan that integrates the company's goals, policies, and actions with its overarching mission and vision. If a company's training and development system is not tied strategically to the company's goals, then the training and development system is not going to have maximum impact. There are lost opportunities. The whole point of tying the two together is to ensure that training programs put on by the organization are helping employees learn the things they need to do to contribute to those goals and help make sure that the company makes a profit.